How to switch language on Trendyol. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Trendyol application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to change the language, tap on the account option from the bottom right of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the select language option on top. Tap on that and further you will be able to change your language. Simply select from the provided options on the screen depending on your region. So this is how you can switch language on Trendyol. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.